Paradigms. Traditional. Happened around the 1900s. 1927. Principles paradigms. Behavioral paradigms. 1938. Political science. 1950s. Field of study paradigm. 1970s. The governance paradigm. 1980s. These paradigms show how public administration evolved through the eras, the different ways of thinking, the way scholars came about, the views that they have today. And it's very important to understand these paradigms. Is the first section of the lectured course on public administration and public policy. Paradigm continuum. Paradigm continuum. Research-oriented and theoretically based paradigms formed by constitutional means and market dynamics. Societal practices developed paradigms, and paradigm shifts occur to affix the archetype to the model. The swinging pendulum oscillates from the pivot between authority as hierarchical and authority as decentralized. New public administration to traditional public administration. Democratic administration to privatization. New public service to new public management. Public values to holistic governance. Traditional paradigm, government in action. One of the basic functions of government is to provide for the general welfare. We can improve the public's opinion of government by preparing public officials and providing better public services. The concept of having a government administrative apparatus is widely accepted. Administration is the way in which government processes actions. The historical context of administration goes back to the very beginnings of government. Administration is an expected and necessary part of executive operations. If any person walked into a government office, they would expect to see administrative work being completed. The significance of Woodrow Wilson's contribution is threefold. 1. Articulation of public administration as an area of research. 2. Developments towards a science of administration with principles of efficient government action. 3. Civil service reform to secure competent administrators who can carry out complex government functions. Woodrow Wilson's views were well received. Democratic institutions are the foreground of administration. Administration has systematic procedures for carrying out the directions of elected officials. Administration is highly clerical and businesslike. Woodrow Wilson, The Study of Public Administration, 1887.